Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mercy Ebere Ogu, popularly known as Realtor Maybe. Today I'll be taking you to Crystal Court Estate Enugu, which is just behind Spa Shopping Mall Enugu, which is opposite Opara Square and just before NTA Nigerian Television Authority here in Independence Layout Enugu. Now that's the new spot in town, and that's pricing as Remedial College. If you know, 2011 we went there, and that's the NTA after the estate gate. Now this is Crystal Court Estate Enugu. This estate has a history with me, because what are you going to say if I told you that I was among the marketers for this estate when here was just bush, no structure, nothing. And they were selling 40 plots of land here for 1 billion Nigerian naira. So that was actually how this place got to become an estate. It's a federal government property, meaning it has a federal CFO, and finally there was a lucky buyer. Enough of the past. Now let's talk about the present. This duplex, this wonderful duplex that you're seeing by your left hand side, is going to be my next video on this channel. So what I want to say right now is that you should hit the subscribe button, because I'm going to tour that building and you're going to see it. Wonderful building. Actually, is going for 250 million naira. And I have to also tell you guys that a plot of land here cost 150 million naira. At least 150 million naira. But the first time I came here was selling for 110 million naira. Okay, so this is the estate tour. If you notice, the buildings, so many buildings are still under construction. This is because it is a new estate. By the left hand of this estate is IMT, that's Institute of Management and Technology, which is facing this other gate that I'm approaching right now. That's actually the back gate. The other one is considered the front gate. So this gate now that is facing me is directly opposite Liberty Estate Phase 1. And you guys know how beautiful Liberty Estate is, but it's currently sold out. Now, after Liberty Estate, you should know that the junction there is called INT Junction. Okay, so this is a busy area. This is an area of commercial and residential purposes. Yes, and Independence Layout is somewhere that most people want to live. It's somewhere that is old money in Enugu. Let me put it that way. It is old money. Okay, so if you're living in Independence Layout and you're living in your own house, and it is a luxury apartment, that means you have what it takes. You have money. Let's talk more on the landmarks surrounding this estate. Apart from IMT, Liberty Estate, Spa, Opara Square, NTA. If I'm at the estate gate, I'm talking about the front gate which we came in from. If I'm standing and I'm facing the estate, by my left, if I keep going down that road, is ESBS. That is Agric Bank area. And then after Agric Bank, you can get to Premier Layout. You can get all the way to Scanner. You can go all the way to Opara Square too. So we all agree that this is the heart of town. This is the heart of Enugu. From this estate, if you're living in a duplex here, or you rented it or you bought the duplex, just know that you're going to have access to most beautiful things that this town has to offer. I'm talking about the good places for food, the good entertainment places like Cubana, Opara Square. We even have the Unity Park behind Opara Square too. So you're basically just enjoying life if you live in this estate. Honestly, I must say that this estate is close to everything. There's a local market at after IMT, that we call it Afia 9. So that's a local market. But since you're just living behind Spa I believe that you're going to be getting most of your products from Spa Shopping Mall. And then again, it's close to Cubana Lounge for those that want to have fun, for those that want to party. So this is basically it, guys. I don't know what else to say. This is me driving out, and I'm going to show you this duplex in my next video. So please do well to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you're going to get notification on every video I drop on this channel every day. Until then, enjoy the music.